Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change your name on TikTok using your laptop or PC. Let's jump right in. First, open your preferred browser and go to www.tiktok.com. Log into your TikTok account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, click on View Profile. You'll now be taken to your TikTok profile page. Next, click the Edit Profile button right next to your profile picture. Here you'll see two fields, one for your name and one for your username. To change your name, just click inside the name field, erase the current name, and type in your new display name. This name can be anything you want. It doesn't have to be unique, and it can include spaces or emojis. Once you're happy with the new name, click the Save button at the bottom. And that's it. Your TikTok display name has now been updated. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.